What's up, folks? Tiniest morning update. June 21st, longest day of the year. So, what do we got? Tight overnight range, 19 to 38. I'd still like to see that 51 is going to be. I mean, that's a low and a high here, so that's going to be crucial. So if we get above 51, cautiously bullish. We are stuck right here. This was the level I was watching yesterday, which was 19 to 23, 24. We're there right now. We did squeeze down to 10 yesterday, which kind of shocked me because it kind of split hairs between this level and then this 90 level. So we'll see if this holds and reverses back up or if we continue down. 10 a.m. Powell speaks, and then there's something else. We'll look at that in a second. But I'm really looking at that. Major would be 40-50, 43-50, 43-40 level. I would be looking for the 90 to hold. If that doesn't, we could see a stoppage at 70. The 100 marks on 70 tend to hold, right? So 44.70, 43.70, 42.70. Those 70 strikes kind of, it's interesting how they gravitate time certain. That's been for years now. I think I remember 41.70 and 39.70. Those were big levels back when. So as of now, I'm kind of neutral. I'd like to see below 10 or above 51 for any exciting action. We could see a consolidation day, and then a move Thursday or Friday, but or we'll get movement today with the Powell speech at 10 a.m. and something else. Pivot 44.30, 44.50 is R171. Look at that. R2 is great. 44.91, 44.10, 30, 43.90. Hits right on there, and 43.69, basically 70s. These pivots are wonderful today. I really like those. Here's our daily moonshot here. Again, Euphoria has hit all-time high. Everybody's bullish to the gills. I'm not saying that we're not going to continue to go up or we can't. I am saying that this, it's really off to the races. So the question is whether or not this is just simply short covering or a flight to safety, which I think a lot of people don't understand. Capital flows wise, are people not buying treasuries, just getting into equities, as a last resort? Like, this isn't euphoria. This is just everyone's just parking cash, which could very well be. So that's, keep that in mind. Now, daily, if we keep here, we're going to get a bull flag and roll up. So we'll watch for consolidation here. That would be very interesting. So, today and tomorrow, and then bull flag into Friday, and we go, whoppy. So 45.28 still, that upside target for me. 45.18 or 12, I think it was, as well. 08, 12 area. And then that 28. So then we would see, again, we're looking at levels that we haven't seen since, March of last year. So it's real interesting how we've kind of come down and then come back up. What else? What am I looking at? SPX, so cash gap yesterday, 09 to 4,000, 4,400. Had this guy down here. I wouldn't worry about that little guy. And then obviously our high up here is basically, so that 44.50 SPX would be something I'd watch. I'd watch that cash gap. So today maybe we pop up cash gap and then come back down, or we just go through it and continue up. Euros come full bend up, so we're kind of dipping down. It's still at the 9. Again, unless we break 7, this is going to be still in bullish category here for me. Ideally, I wanted to see it break the 05 and then head back down to 95, which eventually it goes to 0, because I can't believe this is still a currency, and I know I keep saying that. Apple's down a little bit. I think Tesla's a little higher. FedEx missed earnings. Yesterday wasn't too bad. Wednesday, 10 a.m. Powell. Thank you. Senate hearing for whatever. I don't know what the hell that is. And Goolsbee speaks, whoever that is. So, Thursday, initial claims. We'll see if any of this. He testifies. Remember the Senate panel, so it's the same shit tomorrow on that. Mester speaks at 10. Barkin at 4:30. That's interesting. Bullard speaks at 5:15 a.m. on Friday. Then we have PMI services flash. So Thursday and Friday could get fairly interesting. I will be. I got to travel, so I won't be back until next Wednesday. So this is kind of my last video for a little bit, but I will be in the room checking in and still probably trading because I don't know how to stop. So I will be around, accessible. Stay safe, see profit, take it. GEX is working well for those who are using it. We don't seem to have any follow through, so levels and reversals are working right now. So just kind of pay attention to that, and we'll get this market structure down. And when we do, it'll change.